Money Builder review. So hey guys, welcome back. This is Mazhar here from mazharanga.com and welcome to my Money Builder review. So in this video, I'll be running you through a quick demo about this product called Money Builder and what are the benefits of using this particular product and how you can generate a great amount of money from this particular product and a software and training course. So I have also put together a ton of custom bonuses that are worth of thousands of dollars. If you want to pick a money builder via my link, which is right below in the description of video of this YouTube video, if you're watching this via my YouTube channel. But before that, let me tell you what Money Builder is all about. So Money Builder is created by David Kirby and Earl Cheeseman, and this product goes live on 19th of July at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So this is the time when this product is going to go live, and this product will actually help you to build sales pages, squeeze pages, thank you pages, and also e-com store pages. So this is something similar to ClickFunnels, but ClickFunnels is at another level. But if you want to just start with your business, so this is just at a one time low fee. So I'll just be sharing you the difference between ClickFunnels, Money Builder, and few other platforms as well, right? So but before that, we are into the members area of Money Builder, and this is how this members area looks like, and this is my members area. But before explaining this, I'll let me explain you my bonus page which I have created for you guys, and that is only exclusive to my link, which is right below in the description of this YouTube video. So you don't want to miss this, okay? So my first bonus which I'll be offering for you guys is I'll be teaching you the hack to get better conversions, right? So for example, basically from Money Builder you can create and get a lot of hot leads, warm leads, right? So how to convert those leads into your sales and raving customers. My this bonus tutorial by Jono Armstrong will teach you the right way to get and generate a great amount of money via your hot leads and your warm leads, right? So that's my bonus number one for you guys. And my bonus number two is how to make an application in less than 25 minutes. So this is again a small bonus tutorial again by Jono Armstrong. So in this tutorial, Jono Armstrong has taught us how you can create a working application in just less than 25 minutes just to start your business with, right? So go and watch this in your own sweet time. This is a great opportunity for you guys, and I'm going to give you bonus number three as hack, Jono's Bing Ads hack. This is something really interesting, and I have been using this in my business since a long time and generating some great amount of money with this, right? So, for example, this goes in hand with Money Builder, because once you get a great amount of leads via Money Builder, and you can also just incentivize them this with this Bing ads hack, right? You can also teach them, and you can run your own ads on the Bing platform, that is again the Microsoft thing, like, and just double x or 10x your conversions. That goes in hand with Money Builder. Okay, so that brings to my bonus number four. I'm going to give you the access to license rights to Aurora. So basically, Aurora is a product that was created by Jono Armstrong and his partners a few months before. So basically, Aurora will help you to generate traffic via Instagram and Pinterest. So this is I'm going to give you access to the license rights of Aurora, so that you can just sell this as a service, or you can just give a service via this particular bonus. Okay, so it's a cool product created by Jono Armstrong lately this year. Just go and have a look at this. And bonus number five is I'm going to give you access to all the vendor bonuses that the vendor has given me to give it to you guys. If you want to pick Money Builder via my link, which is only exclusive to me, which is right below in the description of this YouTube video. Okay, so how to claim these bonuses? It's pretty simple. Just click on anyone. First of all, click on the link which is below in the description of this YouTube video. That will get you to the bonus page of mine that looks something like this. Click on any one of these orange yellowish buttons. Okay, and once you click on this, that will get you to the sales page of Money Builder that looks something like this, right? So once you click on that, go and again click on this button that says click here to get started now, and go and make a purchase of just $17. Just I'll explain you the pricing. in just a quick second, but before that, just go through this first and make a purchase. Once you make the purchase, go to your Warrior Plus dashboard from where you have purchased Money Builder. Hover over your username, click on the purchase history, and once you click on purchase history, search for a receipt that looks something like this. Okay, click on the access affiliate bonuses tab, the blue tab you will see below over here, and once you click it over here, all my bonuses will be delivered to you instantly. It's pretty simple and self-explanatory. So now let's me explain you the pricing and upsells of Money Builder. So there is a front end price of $17 and there are 9 OTOs. So this is a great product, seems to be a great product. Basically the Money Builder front end price is for $17 only. Okay, so before that, let me compare you with ClickFunnels first of all. Okay, so ClickFunnels basic pack is just for $97 per month. Okay, and if you want to go with ClickFunnels Platinum, that goes for $297 per month, and with again 2 comma club, that goes for $2,497 per month. So that's pretty expensive, right? But if you are someone who just started this business and you don't have that amount of money, you can just go and with Money Builder, because Money Builder has all those things which ClickFunnels has, and there are pretty much more things in it as well. Okay, so that will I'll explain you in just quick minute as we progress. But this is a small comparison, because if you pick ClickFunnels just for 97 per month, you get limited for 20 funnels and pages, just 100 pages, right? That you can use it super fast. It doesn't have any meaning, right? But with Money Builder, you can just build unlimited pages. You also have a built-in autoresponder. Okay, so just this is a comparison between ClickFunnels and Money Builder, right? So you can just pick this up for just one time fee of $17 with my bonuses that are worth of thousands of dollars. So bear that in mind, because that is a crazy offer for you guys. So what is the front end price is $17. You get access the powerful Money Builder software and training modules. You have also training modules on how to use this product, right? So upsell number 1 is unlimited. You get unlimited accounts, forms, leads, emails, autoresponders, and much more. That is for $37 and a downsell of $17. Upsell 2 is done for you automation. Okay, so allows the user to schedule their campaigns. That is basically all on automation. That is for $37 and a downsell of $27. And upsell number 3 is done for you. Basically it's for $197 and a downsell of $97. And it's basically done for you, personal setup by our team. So the team of Money Builder will set up everything for you, and you just need to sit and monetize. That's the thing which you need to do, right? Upsell number 4 is done for you campaigns. That is for $47 and downsell of $27. All our top software all set for you to sell as your own, right? So that brings me to the upsell number 5. Get unlimited traffic for $197 and a downsell of $77. So your Google and Facebook pixels on your top selling sales page. Okay, you can just add your pixels of Facebook and Google to your top selling sales page and just 10x your conversions, right? So upsell number 6 is white label rights for $997 and downsell of $497. So full installation and customized branding of the Profit Mailer software plus developer support. So upsell number 7 is reseller rights of $47 and downsell of $27. Get commissions and affiliate materials for Profit Mailer. And upsell number 8 is traffic saver pack for $27 and $17 downsell. And at the end, upsell number 9 is Money Builder Gold Mine 1K Club, that is for $37 and a downsell of $17. Okay, so I've put together some benefits about this particular product, that is instantly created unlimited websites. Okay, so it's a drag and drop software. It's particularly done for you. Unlimited hostings included, one-click integrations on your autoresponders, unbeatable one-time price of just $17 along with my custom bonuses that are worth of $1,000, right? And custom domains and video training as well, so that you can just go and watch your videos and implement them and generate good amount of money. and we have put together and we have covered you with basically 180-day money back guarantee, that is basically 6 months. That is a crazy thing, right? So you can just go and use this particular software, and if you don't like this, just go and ask for a refund in between 6 months, right? So basically this bonus page comes down at 11:59 p.m. Eastern time on Tuesday, June 22nd, right? So make sure once you watch this video, go and pick this up as soon as possible before this countdown timer hits zero, because once it does, all my bonuses will disappear and you won't be able to access to any one of these bonuses, right? So you will just get access to the front end of Money Builder, that is $17, and you won't get access to my bonuses that are only exclusive to my link. Okay, so this is something which I don't want you to miss on, right? So just go and grab it as soon as possible, as you, if you are something who would like this product, right? And let me take you to the sales page now. So let's have a look at the sales page, what sales page has to say. So this is basically, you are 3 clicks away from 100% done for you sales funnel complete with buyer traffic in as little as 30 seconds. So it's basically all automated. You just need to go and click and paste, drag and drop things, right? Pretty simple. Just you can have a click view, you can view this video because it's still not ready to, you can, so that you can see it. So basically this will be available when this product goes live straight, right? Just scroll down. Yeah, you can see over here, instantly create unlimited websites, as I just mentioned, drag and drop, unlimited hostings included, done for you, one click integrations via your autoresponders. You can create custom domains, you can create unlimited video trainings, and at a one time low cost fee of just $17. Just again click here to get this once you see this video, right? So this is a pretty simple and self-explanatory product created by David Kirby and Al Cheeseman, because these guys are the keep creating this type of products basically. So these are the guys, David Kirby and Al Cheeseman, behind this product, who have created this particular product, right? So this seems to be a great product, and let me show you the comparison between some of the uh, top money building pages like ClickFunnels, Wix, and Weebly. So these are a few testimonials, written testimonials by the people who have particularly personally used these things, right? So here is the comparison, right? So for ClickFunnels, you have to pay $997 or $1,000 per year. Insta Pages is $600 per year. GoDaddy is $800. Wix is $197 per year. Weebly is $100 per year. But Money Builder is just super low, one time fee of $17. So this is a crazy thing for newbies basically, who are just starting their businesses, right? This is a great deal for you guys, and you can just go and upgrade yourself later once you start making 4 figures or 5 figures of income, right? To ClickFunnels, right? So this is pretty self-explanatory. Go and have a look at this sales page in your own sweet time, in all these particular things, right? So what are the benefits, what are the inclusions is doing, how you can get benefited, and what all type of pages you can create. Go and have a look at the training sessions, again few testimonials. So this is the bonuses that the bonus vendor is giving me to give it to you guys. So the bonus number one is our secret $1K a day method live training. Okay, that is for $3,000 worth video training, limited one time only. Grab video training walkthrough that shows exact same things required to succeed with Money Builder. Okay, and bonus number three is agency license to the Breeze software. So basically this is, you get agency license to a product called Breeze that was created by David Kirby and Al Cheeseman few days before, like few months before, right? And you get 24/7 premium support for as a bonus number 4, and bonus number 5 you get $100 plus a day with Money Builder case study. So basically this is a case study on how you can just create some good amount of money, and we have covered you with 180 days money back guarantee straight away, so you don't miss on anything else, right? So with this, just go and have a look at this sales page in your own time. Now let me get you to the members area of Money Builder. So once you make a purchase, you will get access to this page that looks something like this. So this is the basically the dashboard. You can just create unlimited page builders, autoresponders. You can just link your get response or whatever autoresponders you are using. Okay, so Postking is another traffic source which you can use, and image editor is like basically you can edit your images instead of paying hundreds of dollars to Canva or any other image editor software, right? So on the left side, as you can see, it's a money page builder autoresponder. Just go and you can just link your autoresponders straight away. Then Postkings again will help you to basically you can link your Facebook, your Instagram. Let me show you that first. Okay, you can see you can generate traffic from Facebook, Instagram or Twitter via this, just by linking this. How you can use this, you can get easy access to this these tutorials on how you can use these things, like how you can just integrate it with Facebook, Instagram and other social media platforms, right? So basically this is the autoresponder thing. You can send unlimited credits, unlimited lists, you can build unlimited lists, unlimited campaigns, and with all these unlimited things you can just generate some unlimited subscribers, right? So this is pretty cool software, right? So now let's scroll down. This is a support ticket. So if you are basically need any support, just click on the support thing and you can get just raise your questions or support ticket, and you will get all your answers within seconds, because this is pretty self-explanatory product, and you get access to the tutorials as I just mentioned. Because how to use this, if you are a little bit confused on how to use this particular software, you can just go and have a look at these tutorials straight away, right? So this is what I had to say from my Money Builder review. So if you are looking something to start with in your online business, so go and have a look at this Money Builder review by me by clicking the link in the description, and get all my bonuses that are worth of thousands of dollars by me. That is only exclusive my link, which is again down below in the description of this YouTube video, right? So that's it from my Money Builder review, and make sure to like this video if you have liked this video. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon if you want to know notifications of all my review videos that I'll be uploading on a regular basis. And leave a comment below if you have any questions or queries, so that I can answer you quickly. So that's it from a Money Builder review. See you until next time. See you into the next review video. Thanks. Bye.